Hello everyone, this is Sebastian from Valo, and we are super excited to announce the availability of our 1.3 release for our Valo Modern product called Cathode. So let's have a look at what is new in Valo Modern 1.3. So the first thing you're going to notice is that we added a lot of experience for the user that are editing the content, for all the content authors and all the site owners. So the first thing that we added is now a lot more capabilities in our panel here. We added events, we added important messages, we also added sites where you can create sites associated to the current Valo hub directly from the content creation panel. Something we also did is that we added a fully guided content creation experience. And with that, I mean that when you go into the news panel, you can actually now select different templates, and those templates will automatically trigger all the metadata associated with that template. So really interesting information. So here I want to create maybe a page, but if I want to create a news, I'm going to have a different set of metadata right here. So that's really cool when you want to make sure that when you create your content, it already has the metadata required to drive all the right information inside your intranet to make sure that all your targeting, all your categorization is all there and all working. So really interesting feature that we added here to our Valo Modern toolbox. Something that we also added is the ability to use our Valo site design. Meaning that you can now attach any site within your Office 365 environment in SharePoint Online to a Valo hub, and automatically this site will become a Valo site. So you can do it through the attach a site or associate a site panel directly from any sites, or you can also do it right from here where you can create a site using the out-of-the-box panel here, where I can say I want to create a site for finance. And here I will be able to basically hit finish, and automatically it's going to create the associated site. This means that we are adding an amazing way to extend your intranet to all of your team, to all your content authors, that they will be empowered to create more content, more sites to make their intranet really alive. Now that the site was applied with the site template or the site design, we now also have our Valo site provision that kicks in and will Valify the rest of the experience. So you don't have to do any PowerShell scripting or any manual configuration. We take care of everything for you. So that's really an interesting feature that we have here. One of the great features we also added is the availability of our branding tool for SharePoint Online, which makes your site pop a little bit more, where you can build your own color schemes and fit in all within your Valo installation. So here, when you go to your settings, you have the ability now to customize the look and feel and to select one of the pre-made Valo themes that you would have selected in the past, which in that case is already called the Valo Modern scheme. But there's also the ability to go in and change the colors, change the mechanism by changing the logo, having some custom CSS for all the Valo related navigation pieces and templates, so you can really make it fully your own with Valo Lightsaber. Another feature we're introducing is the ability to view your analytics directly from within your Valo installation. So you can go to your toolbox, and when you're a site owner, you can view the analytics of your current site or of the entire intranet. So when you click on View Your Analytics, automatically we will show you all the most viewed pages with a nice report here with all the values, and also a nice table where you can go back to those pages in the future. Same thing for the news. So basically now you have a nice visual way of understanding how people are using your intranet. You can also see those per site. You can see all the different sites that are available for you, and also per different periods. So from yesterday, last 7 days, 30 days, or even 90 days. Another great functionality we're introducing now is the ability to have a very beautiful and nice layout for all your Office 365 videos that lives in your video portal. So now you can select a channel, select the most trending videos, and make them pop in directly here inside your portal, so you can leverage videos also as a way to communicate your messaging. Finally, we are also introducing Russian, Norwegian, and Spanish languages on top of our existing English, German, French, Dutch, Finnish, Italian, and Swedish. I hope you are as excited as I am about this new release of Valo Intranet Modern 1.3. See you in the next release. Ciao.